Use the self-cleaning condenser function on an LG tumble dryer. In addition to the auto cleaning condenser function, you can manually activate this function on some models. From a power off state, press more time, favorite and power at the same time. You should see 0 on the display. If 0 does not appear, try the procedure again. Open the door and take out the lint filters. Pour 1.5 to 2 liters of tap water into the lint filter hole. In the meantime, check the display. As soon as the condenser cleaning symbol lights up, stop adding water. Now wait for about 20 seconds until the pump action starts. The condenser cleaning cycle is repeated 5 times and will stop automatically. This takes about 20 minutes. After the end jingle, you can put back the lint filters and close the door.